Greetings, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I am the anti-Valentine's Day queen today. I love how this look came out so much. I didn't know what I was gonna do when I started filming. I just started filming and I created this look and I love it so much. Obviously you could pick this look apart. You could do just the eyes, wear it as a cool, dramatic look. Do whatever you want with it. Take it how you will. If you're here just to watch it, that's cool too. If you're here to recreate it, please show me because I wanna see it. If you want to see how I put all this black and red all over my face, and just keep watching. My eyes are primed and set already. I just used my concealer and a shadow that's close to my skin tone. With my Morphe E23, I'm just gonna go ahead and take Safe Word. I'm gonna run this through my crease as my transition shade to help the other shades blend out easier. Next, with my M573, I'm gonna dip into Fetish, and I'm just gonna tuck this in my crease and just work it through in windshield wiper motions and small circular motions. And kind of winging it out. Don't worry about being too precise with this outer corner because we're gonna clean it up with some makeup remover later. Just gonna take that first brush again, smooth the edges some more. With my large shadow brush from Wet n Wild, I'm going to dip into Corrupt from Makeup Geek. Just using that because Androgyny doesn't have a black shadow. You can use whatever black shadow you have. And I'm just going to pack this all over the lid. I'm going to use that same brush that I used for Fetish with no additional product, and I'm just going to start smoothing this out. And now with that same brush, I'm actually going to lightly dip into Corrupt and start blending this through the crease a little bit more. I just really want this to be very blown out and dramatic. I'm next going to take this huge M504 with no product and just continue to blend and buff in the crease. Now I'm just taking some of my micellar water and I'm going to clean up this edge. Next, I'm going to take some of my NYX Glitter Primer on my Wet n Wild small eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pack this all over the lid. Then I'm taking some of the NYX Gunmetal glitter. I'm just going to totally cover up that black with the glitter. As I have less on my brush, I'm just going to lightly kind of place it throughout the crease, but very lightly. I just want it to be a nice gradient. Alright, I just put my foundation and concealer and powder on, and we're going to move on to the cheek area before I do my lower lash line. Mostly because just in case this doesn't go over well, I want to be able to wipe it off without messing with my lower lash line. So to contour and bronze up my face, I'm going to use my Morphe M530 and dip right into that Fetish shade. Here goes nothing! I'm kind of living for this. I'll take a teeny bit of it and put it right under my nose. Soften it up with my damp beauty sponge. I'm gonna take my RCMA powder. I'm just gonna clean up the cheekbones. While my cheekbones are baking, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild highlighting brush and I'm gonna take Flexitarian highlighter from Colourpop. This is my favorite highlight right now, guys. It's so pretty. It's just the most wet looking, shiny highlight. Little on my chin, my nose. Using my Wet n Wild dome brush, I'm going to dip into Fetish. And I'm just going to smoke this along the lower lash line, concentrating it more on this first 2/3 of the eye. I'm now going to take my M432 and just dip into Corrupt again. I'm just going to hug that really nice and close to the lower lash line. Just gonna take that Wet n Wild brush again with no additional product. Just gonna blend some more. I'm gonna take this Tarte Chrome Paint in the shade Fire Dancer. And I'm gonna use this as my inner corner highlight. I've actually never used this before. Wiping off that brush and just dipping into Flexitarian just a little bit. I'm just gonna pop that right on the very innermost portion of the inner corner. So I ended up doing a couple things without you guys, obviously. I didn't think you needed to see me just apply a liquid lipstick. It's Jeffree Star's Weirdo. I have all the details listed down below as always. And as far as these, I wanted to try them off camera because I was worried it wasn't gonna work. I just took white hearts that I got in like a little confetti thing from Hobby Lobby and I just colored them with black eyeliner, and I was so scared it was just gonna smudge everywhere. So I was really scared to do it, but I mean, it worked. I just used some eyelash glue and stuck them on there. Went with upside down because it's anti-Valentine's Day. And then the only other thing I wanted to do was I wanted to top some of this chrome paint in the center of my lips, I think, to complement the inner corner. And I figured I could do the lipstick without you and then do this part with you. So I'm just taking it on my ring finger. That's cool. I'm gonna do it on the top lip a little bit. Oh my gosh, I literally love how this look turned out. Oh my gosh. So this is the full look. I had no idea what I was gonna do going into this look. I sat down, I wasn't even gonna film this look today. I'm doing my regular Valentine's Day look later when Mackenzie comes over, but I figured I had time, so maybe I should just do this one now. No idea what I was gonna do. Sat down, just started doing it, and I'm so obsessed with how it came out. I think it's so cool. I just feel really hot in this look. I don't know, man. What do you think? You think it's cool? I think this screams anti-Valentine's Day. So if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, what are your plans instead? Are you gonna do something extra instead of Valentine's Day, or are you gonna just do absolutely nothing and pretend the day doesn't exist? Let me know. Let me know your thoughts on this look. I think it's cool. Should I do more cool looks like this? As usual, if you liked this tutorial, give me a thumbs up so I know to keep making more. I can't stop staring at this glitter. It's awesome. I've had this glitter literally for like probably almost 2 years and I've never used it, I don't think. It's just so pretty. Don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I've been posting every 3 days. The Valentine's Day look is probably going up before this one, so you saw that one, now you're seeing this one. My next video is actually going to be Zane and I doing a get ready with me. He's going to pick out the products for me. We're going to do a little Q&A. You'll get to meet him. That's to come. That's going to be up on Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye. So I'm off to a great start. I just think this look, words. I almost thought my microphone was turned off for my whole intro and outro. That was scary.